Hello, my name is Rebecca Stoia, and today I will be presenting my CarMax Analytics Report. Many customers decide to trade in their current vehicle when purchasing a vehicle at CarMax. What does the customer's appraised vehicle tell us about the vehicle they will end up purchasing? And how can CarMax use this information to improve business operations and provide customers a personalized shopping experience? This analysis will explore the above questions by analyzing the data related to customers who have purchased a vehicle from CarMax. The data contains information pertaining to both the purchased vehicle and the appraised vehicle. Part 1 of this analysis seeks to explore if there is any relationship between appraised model year and purchased model year. First, let's visualize the distribution of the appraised model year. Here, the sample distribution is skewed to the left, and the average appraised vehicle was manufactured in 2008. Next, the distribution of purchased model years is explored. Here, the distribution is skewed to the left, and the average purchased vehicle was manufactured in 2013. To answer this question, a linear regression is constructed. In order for model years to be compatible for a linear analysis, the model year attribute must be converted to represent a distance from average. To do so, the following formula is used. The constructed regression line is positive with a moderate slope. To better understand the strength of the slope, the correlation coefficient R is calculated. In this instance, R is determined to be 0.26. In other words, there is a weak positive relationship between appraised model year and purchased model year. Individuals who appraise a newer vehicle tend also to purchase a newer vehicle. To conclude the analysis on the difference in model year, a distribution of the difference between purchased model year and appraised model year is constructed. Here, the mean of the distribution is 4.3. In the sample, individuals tended to purchase a vehicle that was 4.3 years newer than their appraised vehicle. To extend this conclusion beyond the sample and to the entire population of CarMax purchases, a 95% confidence interval is constructed. It can be inferred with 95% confidence that the average CarMax customer purchases a vehicle that is 4 to 5 years newer than their appraised vehicle. Part 2 of this analysis will explore vehicle make. Two questions are posed. First, do customers tend to purchase a vehicle of the same make as their appraised vehicle? Second, if not, what are the most popular makes purchased? To answer the former question, a bar plot is constructed. From the bar plot, it is conclusive that customers tend not to purchase a vehicle of the same make as their appraised. Since customers are more likely to purchase a different make, what then are the most popular makes? To answer this question, a bar plot is constructed. In the sample, the top makes are AIH, representing 13% of purchases, HXQ representing 10%, and KQZ representing 8%. Part 3 explores special features. To do so, the following question is asked. Do individuals who receive a higher appraisal offer purchase a vehicle with special features? For this analysis, a high appraisal offer will be defined as an offer over $20,000. And premium features include car specialization such as interior styling, additional safety features, and exterior design components. Next, a bar plot is constructed. This bar plot displays the count of individuals who receive a higher versus lower appraisal offer. The bars are then split according to those who purchase a vehicle with premium features and those who do not. This section of the analysis will focus on individuals who purchase premium features, or the blue shaded region of each bar. Next, sample proportions are calculated. P-hat1 represents the proportion of customers who receive a high appraisal offer and purchase a vehicle with premium features. P-hat2 represents the proportion of customers who receive a low appraisal offer and purchase a vehicle with premium features. Here, the sample proportions are calculated to be 0.43 and 0.37. From the sample, it appears that individuals who receive a higher appraisal offer are more likely to purchase a vehicle with special features than those who receive a lower appraisal offer. To test the significance of the difference in proportions, a 95% confidence interval is constructed in the order p-hat1 minus p-hat2. Since 0 is not contained in the interval of 0.05 to 0.059, it can be concluded with 95% confidence that individuals who receive a higher appraisal value are more likely to purchase a vehicle with special features than individuals who receive a lower appraisal value. Part 4 will explore mileage. To do so, the following questions are asked. First, are individuals who appraise a vehicle with more mileage willing to purchase a vehicle with higher mileage? Or is low mileage universally desired? For this analysis, an appraised vehicle with over 80,000 miles is considered as high mileage, and a vehicle purchased with over 80,000 miles is considered high mileage. Next, a bar plot is constructed. The bar plot displays appraisal mileage, high versus low, split by the mileage of the purchased vehicle. This section of the analysis will focus on individuals who purchase a vehicle with over 80,000 miles, or the blue shaded region of each bar. Next, sample proportions are calculated. P hat 1 represents the proportion of customers who appraise a high mileage vehicle and purchase a high mileage vehicle. P hat 2 represents the proportion of customers who appraise a low mileage vehicle and purchase a high mileage vehicle. Here the sample proportions are calculated to be 0.03 and 0.035. From the sample, it appears that individuals who appraise a vehicle with high mileage are slightly more likely to purchase a vehicle with high mileage. But is this difference in proportions significant? To test the significance, a 95% confidence interval is constructed. When rounded to 2 decimal places, the interval is 0, 0. Thus, with 95% confidence, it can be concluded that purchasing a vehicle with low mileage is universally desired. Part 6 will explore the influence of an appraised vehicle attribute on the purchased vehicle. This analysis begins with the assumption that individuals prefer to purchase a vehicle of the same body and same color as their appraised vehicle. First, vehicle body is explored. Again, we assume that the individual prefers to purchase a vehicle of the same body as their appraised vehicle. The following bar plot displays the count of individuals who do and do not purchase a vehicle of the same body as their appraised vehicle. It appears that a slight majority of individuals do not purchase a vehicle of the same body. In this sample, the proportion of individuals who purchase a vehicle of the same body is 0.47, and the proportion of individuals who purchase a vehicle of a different body is 0.52. To understand if this difference in proportions applies to the entire population of purchases, a 95% confidence interval is constructed. Since the confidence interval does not contain 0, the difference in proportions is significant. In other words, the proportion of individuals who purchase a vehicle of the same body is greater than the proportion who do not. Next, color is explored. Again, we assume that individuals purchase a vehicle of the same color as their appraised vehicle. The plot here displays the count of individuals who do and do not purchase a vehicle of the same color as their appraised vehicle. The difference in categories is clear. A statistical test is not needed to draw a conclusion. Since individuals tend not to purchase the same colored cars, what are the most popular colors of purchased vehicles? To answer this question, a bar plot is constructed. The top color choices here are white, black, gray, silver, and blue. The purpose of this analysis was to answer the following question. What does the customer's appraised vehicle tell us about the vehicle they will end up purchasing? Here are some answers. The average buyer is expected to purchase a vehicle that is 4 to 5 years newer. Customers tend not to purchase a vehicle of the same make. Individuals who receive a high appraisal offer are more likely to purchase a vehicle with special features than those who receive a low appraisal offer. Individuals who appraise a vehicle with high mileage are more likely to purchase a vehicle with high mileage. Individuals tend not to purchase a vehicle of the same body. And finally, individuals tend not to purchase a vehicle of the same color. That concludes this analysis. Thank you for listening.